Good morning, Miss or Mrs. Muskan.
Miss Muskan.
Miss Muskan. Good. Miss Muskan, please, which date is your interview?
Sir, I've still not got the mail, sir. I
So that means you are lucky girl then. Good. Please tell me about yourself.
Sure, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Muskan Dalavai, and I'm from Bangalore Urban District of Karnataka State. I have completed my post graduation this year in the field of agriculture with specialization in seed science and technology from College of Agriculture, Vijaypur. I have scored an overall GPA of 9.35, for which I would be the university gold medalist. For my undergraduation, I had pursued BSc in Agriculture from the College of Agriculture, GKVK, Bangalore, in which I scored a grade point of 8.92. My pre university education and schooling has been completed in Christ University and St. Francis High School, respectively, in Bangalore. I am proficient in English, Kannada, Hindi, and Urdu, which allows me to communicate effectively with a diverse range of people. My field of interests are dancing, henna artistry, outfit designing, and sewing, whereas my hobbies include cooking, listening to music, and photography. Thank you, sir.
Muskan, did you attend our GD classes? No, no.
Yes, sir, I had.
You were not present for many days. Only few days you came, correct?
No, sir, I
Because,
had attended all the classes.
acha, but or did you participate in GD discussions? Because you are talking so fluently and nicely, but this much level of discussion, I do not remember to have heard during the GD classes. I don't
Sir,
know.
actually, I had spoke for 3 to 4 times during the class. That's all, sir.
Oh, not many times. Correct, correct.
Yes.
Good, very good. So, why did you choose agriculture as your college subject?
So, firstly, because agriculture is such a subject which has diverse options in the within the subject, like it includes all the subjects in a particular field. So, when a student pursues agriculture, he gets holistically developed. So, this was one of the main reasons for choosing agriculture, sir.
Tell us about your family.
So, we are a nuclear family residing in Bangalore, comprising of 4 members. That is my parents, father and mother, and my younger sibling. My father, Abdul Saab Dalwai, he has completed ITI and currently he is working as a technician in Bosch Private Limited. My mother, Nusrat Jabin, is a homemaker, and my younger sibling, Mansoor Dalwai, is currently pursuing his second PUC.
Very good. What is the significance of agriculture to Indian economy?
Yes, sir.
I don't know
Sir,
whether I have given this material to you. Mm, or it is there in insightsindia.com. You have seen that site,
no, sir.
insightsindia.com. You have not seen that site?
No, sir.
There is a website known as insightsindia.com agriculture. If you put like that, you will get Insight IAS. Here you will get lot of questions, everything about agriculture. Are you seeing online now?
Yes, sir.
You will get all this agriculture. Acha, acha. Hmm, why study about agriculture? It will come. All these things will be there. Something else is coming here. So almost all these topics would have been given. Role of agriculture economy, major crops, irrigation system, and all this. Shall I give this link to you? I think I have given
Yes.
this in our group earlier, but still let me give you now. You are I will give you in 24. This is not yours. 24. Yeah, federal. 24 federal. I am giving this to you so that next time I will ask questions more deep about agriculture. Now I will ask peripheral questions regarding agriculture. Okay. No, but this has gone to some other person. This has gone to some other person. 24 federal, and then here it should be posted. Correct. Now it has gone to all of you. Good. Now I will
Yes,
ask only basic questions.
sure, sir.
Please tell me, having asked this, started asking this question, please tell me what is the significance of agriculture to Indian economy? It's a good question. Please tell.
Yes, sir. Agriculture is a significant part of Indian economy, contributing to the country's GDP, providing employment and supporting the industrial sector. About 58% of the population is dependent on agriculture for employment. The primary activity for rural population, with over 70% of rural households rely on livelihood, and the contribution of agriculture to the GDP is around 17%, and in 2021 the contribution rose to 19.9%. And the raw materials from the agriculture are used for many industries, including textiles, food products, etc. And agriculture is a source of food and fodder as well.
Excellent. That's sufficient. You can manage this question. Now, what are the major crops in your region? Which area are you living? Bombay city, sorry,
So,
Bangalore city.
yes, sir.
But what is your native place?
So, native is Belgaum.
What is the agriculture pattern in Belgaum?
So, mostly there they grow cereals and cereals like sorghum, and
Mm,
paddy is majorly grown. The
mm,
major commercial crops are cotton, maize,
mm,
groundnuts, and chilies, sir.
Good. Um, have you applied for agriculture officer exams?
Yes, AO and WO, which they will be living this year. I'll apply for the same, sir.
No, no, but
But do I have to
you,
mention this during the interview,
yeah,
sir?
yeah, you can tell nothing wrong. What is wrong? You cannot tell a lie unnecessarily. You have applied
Yes,
for
sir.
IBPS means you accept that, nothing wrong. When did you
Sir.
complete your degree?
So this year.
You did post graduation, no?
Yes, sir.
Oh. But normally for agriculture officers, they take even simple graduates, BSc agriculture
Yes.
also.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, good. Now, major crops, okay. Um, now, can you tell me how many districts are there in Karnataka?
So there are total 30 districts, sir.
Good. Now, who is the um, say agriculture minister of Karnataka?
Sir, it's Sri Cheluvaraya Swami.
Good. Now, will you be interested in taking up this job because it involves 50% of acquisition of customers? You have to move around, talk to new people, get the custom from them. Will you be able to do that?
Yes, sir, surely, because agriculture has a subject called as agricultural extension, where we are taught to communicate with people and build a rapport with them. So, this background would help me to communicate with the customers and bring more acquisition from the customers, sir.
Please elaborate about Kissan credit card.
Sir, Kisan credit card, sure, sir. Sir, it is a scheme that was introduced in 1998 for issue of Kisan credit cards to the farmers on the basis of their holding for uniform adoption by the bank so that farmers may use them readily to purchase agricultural inputs such as seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, and draw cash for their production needs.
Hmm. Yeah, continue. What can you tell some more points regarding that Kisan credit card? You know or you don't know? You
Yes,
have
I
not
know.
studied. Please tell.
The minimum age for the eligibility of Kisan credit card is 18 and the maximum age is 75 years. The Kisan credit card scheme was introduced with the objective of providing adequate and timely credit to the farmers for their agricultural operations. and the flexible limit for KCC loan is 10,000 to 50,000. Based on which may be provided based on the land holdings and crops grown, including post-harvest warehouse storages, sir. Sir, you're not audible.
Your answer is wrong. You have to study about it, Pakka, that Kisan
Okay.
credit card. The up
Sure,
to
sir.
1.6 lakhs, it is given free of any security. Up to 3 lakhs, the produce itself will be the security. Please prepare about that, Pakka.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but whatever general information you are telling, that is very nice, but that is not what is expected. You must be able to tell about the salient features of a Kisan credit card, like it is issued for 5 years and it is renewed every year. These facts you must be able to tell us.
Yes, sir. Okay. I'll go through
Yeah,
it, sir.
yeah, you have to study. You are not prepared for that. Yeah. Now, what is the job role of a probationary officer?
As a role as a probationary officer, it is to focus on customer acquisition and enhance para-banking income while ensuring uh, we meet the branch's business target. And it is also prioritizing customer service by standardizing processes and fostering a customer centric culture. Directly assisting customers with their banking needs, providing tailored financial solution, and promoting digital products is also one of the role. And managing retail operations, including sales of liability and asset products, cash management, and handling various banking transactions, are some of the roles of the probationary officer.
Very nice. You are telling nicely, but it looks as if you are mugged up and you are telling.
Okay, sir.
Are you understanding what I mean? I'm not telling you
Yes.
are wrong. 100% you are correct. But when I see that, it is as if you are mugged up like some boys and girls. They mugged up something, and then it's you have to mug it up. But you must speak as if you are speaking with some gaps and all that. It's okay.
Okay.
That is the thing. Otherwise, you are answering. This answer is 100% correct. Now, which bank are you having an account?
Yes, I have an account in Canara Bank, sir.
Sir, what is the name of two RRBs sponsored by Canara Bank?
I don't know, sir.
Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank and two Gramin banks are there now.
Karnataka
Karna-
Gramin Bank and Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank. Yes, sir.
yeah, two banks. Yeah, two banks. It is sponsored by our Canara Bank. Previously, one was sponsored by Syndicate Bank and this one. Correct. So now, how many public sector banks are there in our country?
So there are total 12 public sector banks, sir.
How many private banks are there?
21.
How many RRBs are there?
So there are a total of
43.
RRB
40.
43, sir. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. What is the capital contribution of central government, state government, and the sponsoring bank?
So I have to go through this.
Central
I'm not
government
sure.
50% and
Yes.
state government 15%, 1 5, and sponsoring bank 35%.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell about financial inclusion?
Yes, sir. Financial inclusion is such that both the products are actually available to the banking sector as well as the customers.
Yeah. Continue. Hmm.
Should I elaborate more?
Yeah. Please tell because you are an agriculture student, you must be able to tell more.
Okay,
Providing
sir.
banking and financial services to the poorest of the poor at cheaper rates. Fine. What are the steps taken by government in this regard? No. Actually, for an interview question, what you have told is sufficient. But the expectation from you is slightly higher because you are agriculture candidate. you must be able to tell about the role played by RRBs in getting this one done. And you must also tell about Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, like that. And you must tell about Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana, insurance schemes. Why are you not fully covering about all these things? Have you not studied them? Because if you have been preparing for your agriculture exams, you must have studied all these things. Yes or no?
So I was just like answering in the banking point of view, sir. I didn't connect it with agriculture.
No, no. From banking point of view, also something more has to be told. And did were you preparing for banking or not, or you were preparing only for your say max physics? I mean, sorry, quants reasoning and those things only. I
No, sir.
know
I had
in your mains exam you will be having more of agriculture, but banking also is there or not in the final
yes, sir.
exam? Main, it is there.
Yes, sir.
Then you must have studied. Have you not studied fully for that? If you prepare for that, this interview will become easy for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, tell me, what do you know about Federal Bank?
Yes, sir. So Federal Bank, it is one of the leading private banks in our country. Its headquarters is in Kochi, Kerala, and it was established
No,
in the
no.
year 1940.
Aluva, Aluva, Kerala. Aluva, Kochi, or Alu, I don't know what it. Anybody from Kerala here? No. So, are you from Kerala? Must no.
Sir,
You
I
are
am
from
from
Karnataka.
Kerala.
Head office is in Aluva, Kochi, na?
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes.
what? Acha, acha.
Aliva only.
Aluva, Kochi. Correct, correct. Fine.
Okay.
That's okay, fine. You are right then. Tell me.
So it's headquartered in Alua, Kochi, Kerala, and it was established in the year 1945. Uh, as of 2024, the bank network is with the banking branches of around more than 1,500, and the ATMs are around more than 1,452. And it is also awarded as the best digital bank at Financial Express Innovation Awards, and has received the best bank in private sector award from the Banking Frontiers magazine. The total credit worth of this bank is around 14 lakh crore, and it is also actively engaged in financial inclusion initiatives, particularly aimed at supporting farmers and small businesses, which aligns with my background in agriculture, sir.
What is the tagline of Federal Bank?
सर इट इज रिश्ता आपसे है बस ऐप से नहीं.
No, no, but perfect banking partner. Na? You are a perfect banking partner. That
Okay,
is
sir.
given on the top of that. That also you can say. Very good. What are the products you are aware of about from Federal Bank?
Sir, there are some digital products, sir, and Smile Pay is one of them.
You are told that now. Actually, that comes as the next question. They are asking you, tell about the products. Then they will ask, what do you know about the recent news of Federal Bank?
Okay.
What do you know about the recent news of Federal Bank? There you can tell about this Smile Pay.
Hmm.
Okay. And regarding products, you have to tell that products are, say, deposit product, savings, current account, fixed deposit, and recurring deposit, loans for loan against gold loan, then car loan, housing loan, agriculture loan, infrastructure loan, education loan, like that, and also self-help group. You should tell that. Then you should tell about the digital products, whatever digital products you are able to remember, you have to tell about that also. Okay,
Yes.
very good. In your Bengaluru, is Federal Bank a famous one or not?
Sir, there are outlets like branches are there about Federal Bank, but it's not the most talked bank in Bangalore, sir.
Mhm. Which bank is stopping in Bangalore?
So currently it's SBI and Canara Bank.
Correct. Are you interested in customer-centric approach for work or core marketing?
Sir, customer-centric approach. Because these job roles actually align with my background of education. I'm not more oriented towards marketing, so customer approach is more reliable, sir.
Last question for you. How will you improve brand awareness of Federal Bank in a rural area without any specific funds for marketing? What will be your approach in such a situation?
So firstly, we could arrange for a community meeting by opting the main panchayat members in that rural area and spreading awareness about the federal bank. Later, we can use the most used activity in a rural area, that is the tum tum, which is used. We can use it as a
Hmm,
tool for spreading awareness about the federal bank. Secondly,
hmm.
we can talk to the people and spread and take provide the customer services which are available in our bank so that they get more interested towards us, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Your communication ability is very good, but your knowledge regarding banking appears to be what is how will you estimate your banking knowledge?
So I have to improve. I'll start. So actually,
Yeah,
I just completed my post graduation, so I didn't get that much time. So now I'll surely prepare on this.
very good. Best wishes. Your communication is good. If only you prepare, you are luckily having good amount of time before you
Yes, sir.
start preparing. Go through guidely material, go through abbreviations, go through the questions that have been asked in the earlier interviews, prepare for answers, then you
Sure.
will be selected. Best wishes. Thank you.